Hello, I'm Jen. Today I will introduce a hot-style hand-brew coffee accessories. This is many silver coffee grinder, and there are many types of the products here. Let's check the quality part right or not. And this is walnut wood grade, and the aluminum alloy body and container, gasket, spring, silver, die plane, adjuster. So I will show you how to assemble it. Last but not least, let's check if it can work normally. Let's pour the coffee bean and grinder. Okay, see you next time.